Hello, Lily. Are you busy right now? Well, if you are not busy, then please come to the park.
No, I am not going to meet you ever in my life. Never.
What? What's wrong? And why are you talking with me like this, baby? I didn't do anything wrong with you. You have to stop crying. If you don't tell me, how will I know the reason? Calm down.
You have cheated me and I don't want to see your face again.
Cheat? Have you become mad? When I cheated on you? You must be joking, right?
I don't want to talk to you anymore. You have broken my heart.
No, Lily. Don't you believe me? How can I cheat? You just think to yourself, if I had cheated on you with another girl, I wouldn't have given you so many gifts and shown you so much love. If I had done anything, I wouldn't have called you. Please, try to understand and come here. At least for 5 minutes, I have the right to know the reason. It's been 5 years of our relationship. How can you think even that I will betray you? If I hadn't loved you, I would have betrayed you earlier. If I hadn't loved you, I would have betrayed you earlier.
Okay, I am coming only for a few minutes.
Thank God. She is coming. But I have to do something. How will I convince her? Why the network isn't working? Ops. Why do problems come up when I'm in trouble? I can't lose her. She is my life and I can't live without her. Hello. Lily, are you coming or not? I am waiting for you in the park where we used to meet every day.
What do you want to know? You have destroyed my life. Why did you call me here?
Calm down. Calm down. I know that you are angry with me. At least, tell me the reason. What are you saying?
I wouldn't have talked with you like that if you hadn't cheated on me. I wouldn't have talked with you like that if you hadn't cheated on me.
My darling, I never cheated you. Trust me. It's been a long time since our relationship.
Don't pretend like an innocent person. My friend told me everything about you. Now you can stop saying lie at least.
Friend. Are you talking about which friend? I want to know the name of your friend.
You know her very well. She is no one else. She is Alina. She has told me everything that she saw.
Alina. What did she tell you? Tell me right now.
If you want to know, then listen. She has seen you with a girl while you kissing her in a restaurant. If someone else had told me, I wouldn't have believed it. But she is my best friend. I trust her a lot. She will never tell me a lie or anything.
How can you say this without any proof? Does she have any proof? And there could be another person like my family members or friends. Did she see who was the girl with me? I want to know.
I don't need proof. I don't want to show you any proof.
But why? Without any proof, how can you blame me? It's not fair at all.
Because she is my best friend. I trust her, and that is enough for me.
That's fine that you trust your friend. If she had seen anything wrong, why wouldn't she have called you there?
She didn't tell me that time, but later she told me everything.
No, Lily. If had done anything bad, I wouldn't have come here to meet you.
I don't know anything. I just believe my best friend.
It could be a mistake. If you had known your friend well, you wouldn't have done this.
What do you mean? I know my friend very well. I trust her more than you now. If I had known you before, I wouldn't have continued the relationship with you.
Listen. I am not saying that she is a bad girl. Try to understand. She can be a good girl. But you don't know her. I am sure.
I don't need any explanation. You go to your new girlfriend and kiss her. You are a liar. If you had realized my love, you wouldn't have done this. I have given you everything: love, care, and support. I wanted to spend my entire life with you. I had made a lot of dreams of us. You have broken everything.
I didn't do anything. Still, I am saying it. You don't know the true reality about your friend. You're gonna be shocked if you know it.
Truth, what she has done with you. I can't understand anything.
My dear, she did a lot of things, but I never told you about this before. I will tell you now. If she had a good friend of yours, she wouldn't have done what she did.
I'm telling you for the last time to stop. I don't want to hear anything against my best friend.
Listen. When you introduced her, did you notice she flirted with me?
I didn't notice that, but it's quite normal. Sometimes, friends do things just for fun without any bad intentions.
It was not fun. I can feel it as a boy. If she flirted with me in front of you, you would have understood. When you were not with us, then she used to do this with me.
If she did it, why didn't you tell me that? How can I trust you?
I know, it's hard for you to believe in me. I had thought she would forget me. I had thought she would forget me. I never thought she would do something like that.
What do you mean? Just say, what do you want to say?
I never wanted to tell. If I had told you, you would have been hurt. I never wanted to tell. If I had told you, you would have been hurt. She wants us to break up. She told me, you are not perfect for me. She is much better than you. She wanted to impress me all the time. I used to avoid her. I don't know how she got my mobile number and started calling me every day. She started saying that she is tall and pretty, and I should marry her, not you. She also said you are not beautiful as she is.
No, I can't believe it. I can't believe it. I can't. How she can do this? If you had come to me before, I would have believed you.
She calls me every day and I ignore her call. I said no every time. For my proof, I will call her right now. You will see how she talks with me. Let me call her. You just keep silent and listen to our conversation.
Okay, I want to listen. You can call her.
Hey, Alina. It's me. I want to tell you something. Are you free now? You always wanted to be the girlfriend of mine. I feel you are a good partner for me. I feel Lily is not a good girl. You were right, she is an arrogant girl. If I had accepted your proposal, I would have got more happiness in my life. Listen, if your friend knows about us, what will happen? Will you betray her? Okay, if you don't have any problem. I am also okay with this. Make a plan for tonight. Can we meet today? Then, see you in the club, okay? I will wait for you there. See, how is your best friend? How she talks about you. She doesn't care about you. She just wants me in her life. I never wanted to do this. I knew that if you found out, it would hurt you.
I have no word. I can't believe what I heard. I have trusted her a lot. She was close to my heart. She was like my sister, and I used to share everything with her. I didn't trust you. I did wrong with you.
It's not your mistake. You have trusted her. I hope you will believe me now.
I did misbehave with you. I am not a good girlfriend. I am so sorry.
If you found the video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel.